Hello, I'm Guy Woodford, editor of Aggregates Business Magazines. Today, I'm with Sean Loughran, Business Line Director and General Manager of Powerscreen, and we're talking about Powerscreen's Hillhead offer. Morning, Sean.
Morning, Guy. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm excellent. Thanks very much.
Good. Now, Powerscreen's offer, I understand it's got a lower carbon theme. Can you talk us through what you're going to be showcasing to attendees?
Yeah, well, we're showcasing basically our 4 pillars of decarbonisation. You may know the Powerscreen tagline is to crush your carbon footprint. A lot of the focus of late has been on electrification of some of our machines. 60% of our models have an electric or hybrid offering. But we also try and focus more on the overall decarbonisation in terms of our fuel efficiency, our different drive systems, our direct drive type interaction on our crushers, and some of our electric options, of course, which overall gives us our 4 pillars of decarbonisation, which you'll see very much highlighted on the stand at Hillhead this year.
And in terms of, currently at 60%, are there plans to increase that amount of potential diesel electric range?
Yeah, we're looking to move to 80% within the next 2 years. Like I said, we have different options. We have full electric options on our machines. We also have our dual power hybrid, which is both diesel and electric options. And then we have what we call a transport engine, which is basically a small powered engine to move the machine around location. And then we can connect to an alternate power source, be that a hydrogen power electric drive or an onboard genset, or basically the site electricity if they have the capacity on those locations.
And I understand that as part of what you're showcasing on the lower carbon side, you're talking about your project with Catagen. Can you talk us through that and the importance of it?
Yes, we're working along with Catagen and Wrightbus here in Northern Ireland to create one of the first hydrogen-powered electrification plants, which is basically our Chief 1700X 96-volt electrical system. So to date, most of our electrical systems are what you would refer to as standard 3-phase electrical systems that drive our motors and our gearboxes on our machines. This is a very unique 96-volt system that's going to be powered then from this hydrogen fuel cell, worked with Catagen along with Wrightbus to create like a world first. So we're hoping to have that running on a quarry in Ireland here this year in 2024. So we're very excited about that project. It's definitely a world first for all 3 companies involved.
Absolutely fantastic. And in terms of the demo area, you're going to have a strong presence there, I understand, with the 1300X cone crusher.
Yeah, so the 13X is probably the newest uplift to some of our core products. You will remember we launched the 450 very recently, which is our famous jaw crusher, probably the highest running model that Powerscreen created. We followed that up with our 480 impactor crusher, which launched again there early this year, towards the tail end of last year. And then we have this now is a 1300X, which is an uplift of our 1300 cone, which again is probably the world famous 1300 Premiertrak cone. And these are all new versions of probably established world-leading products. So that's the 3rd product in the range. That gives us our cone, our impactor, and our jaw range all uplifted to that range now at the moment.
So if I can just finish, it's the Hillhead show's 40th anniversary. What it means for Powerscreen to be there and to be such a prominent manufacturer at the exhibition.
Yeah, Hillhead's a key show for us every couple of years, right? It's not only the biggest show in the UK, it's one of the biggest European shows. For us, we always like to be front and centre. Powerscreen are the biggest mobile brand in the world, bar none. For us, it's basically a home show. We were there all the time with our dealers, Blue and PowerX, which are 2 UK dealers, both for retail and rental in the UK. And we're always there front and centre. It's a great time to bring customers, bring dealers in from all over the world, not just for Europe. We have a good American presence coming as well. So it's a fantastic opportunity to bring customers and dealers alike and basically showcase what we're doing and get a chance to get together. So we missed it over COVID years, so it's great to get back and have people be able to share in our story. So.
That's great, Sean. Really looking forward to seeing you and the Powerscreen team and to covering the show. Thanks for your time today.
Thanks very much, Guy. Chat to you soon.